Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a hyperbola problem. As per the problem, find the foci and equation of the hyperbola with vertices 0, plus minus 1 and asymptote y equals 2x. The first step is to analyze the given information. Let's start by plotting the given vertices. The vertices are 0, 1 and 0, -1. Both of these vertices lie on the y-axis. This is the vertex 0, 1 and this is the vertex 0, -1. As we can see, the vertices are above and below each other. That means the curves of this hyperbola are above and below each other. We can sketch this hyperbola like this. The general equation of a hyperbola in which the curves are above and below each other is y minus k square over a square minus x minus h square over b square equals 1. As per this equation, the center of the hyperbola is h, k. We can use the given vertices to find the center of the hyperbola. The center of the hyperbola is the midpoint of the line segment that joins the vertices of the hyperbola. We can find the midpoint of the line segment using the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We have to find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 0, 1 and 0, -1. We can label one of these points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. We can sub in these values in the midpoint formula. Zero plus 0 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. 1 plus -1 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. This is the midpoint of the line segment joining the vertices. It is also the center of the hyperbola. Therefore, h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. We can sub in these values in the general equation. Y minus 0 is y. X minus 0 is x. This is the new equation we get. Next, we can analyze the other information in the problem, that the asymptote of the hyperbola is y equals 2x. A hyperbola has two asymptotes. Both asymptotes pass through the center of the hyperbola. In the sketch, we can show the asymptotes like this. Both of these asymptotes pass through the center of the hyperbola, which is at the origin. For a hyperbola with curves above and below each other, the general equation of the asymptotes is y equals plus minus a over b times x minus h plus k. The difference between the equations of the asymptotes of a hyperbola is the slope of the asymptotes. One asymptote has a positive slope, the other has a negative slope. all other parts of the equations of the asymptotes are the same. So for the given asymptote equation y equals 2x, we can ignore the negative sign in the general equation. We can analyze the equation y equals a over b times x minus h plus k. We know that h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. X minus 0 is equal to x. This is the general equation of the asymptote. If we compare this general equation with the given equation y equals 2x, we can see that a over b is equal to 2. A represents the distance between the center of the hyperbola and either of the two vertices. As we can see in the sketch, the value of a is equal to 1 because the distance between the center and either of the two vertices is 1. So we can use this value of a. We can find the value of b. We can cross multiply b to the right side. I get 1 equals 2b. Next we can divide both sides by 2. I get 1 over 2 equals b. This is the value of b we can use for the equation of the hyperbola, and we also know that a equals 1. In order to find the foci of this hyperbola, we need the value of c. The equation we can use to find the value of c is c square equals a square plus b square. A is 1, b is 1 over 2. 1 square is 1, 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4. 1 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 5 over 4. The denominator of 1 is 1. The common denominator is 4. That's how we get 5 over 4. Next we can apply square root to both sides. I get c equals square root of 5 over 2 because square root of 4 is equal to 2. The value of c is always positive. So this is the value of c we can use to find the foci of the hyperbola. The general point for foci of a hyperbola is h, k plus minus c. We can sub in the values. H is 0, k is 0, c is square root of 5 over 2. I get 0, comma plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So if I have to write the foci points separately, they are 0 square root 5 over 2 and 0 comma negative square root 5 over 2. These are the foci of this hyperbola. Next we can write the equation of the hyperbola. A is 1, b is 1 over 2, 1 square is 1, 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4, y square over 1 is just y square, x square over 1 over 4 can be simplified to 4x square. We flip the bottom fraction 1 over 4 to 4 over 1 and multiply it to x square. So we get 4x square over 1 or just 4x square. This should be the final answer for the equation of this hyperbola. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.